Hey friends, there are a lot of apps on Windows 11 that will not uninstall through the normal route. For this, here's a suggestion I make. There's a tool called Revo Uninstaller. Okay, you can go to this its website, and you don't need to buy the full version. The free version is good enough. Wait, go to downloads and download the free version. Okay, and then install it. It will require administrator permissions. Click on OK. I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. Install. We will install the Revo Uninstaller app on the system, and then we will launch it. Now just wait for a few seconds and see what happens. So we have all of these applications here. Let's say an application is very difficult to remove. You can simply right click on it and uninstall it, and then click on yes and continue. This will force uninstall it, and in most probability it will be uninstalled. And you know what? It's way quicker. So I install this application on my system anyway. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.